In this video, I'll show you how to connect your soundbar using an optical cable to your TV. So let's get started. First step, most soundbars comes included with an optical cable in the box. It may look like this or like this one. This is more high quality, but they all do the same thing at the end of the day. Before being able to plug the cable in your TV and in your soundbar, you need to remove the small plastic protector that is covering the tip of the connector. You see? Simply remove it with your fingers, like this. Do the same thing with the other end. Go on the back of your soundbar and we need to find optical in. Over here, it's the second port, right beside the HDMI. It should say OPT, optical, or sometimes just audio in, and the port should look like that one. There is one specific way this cable fits in. As you see here, it has a specific shape, so it's impossible to put it the wrong way. Like that. Make sure you push it all the way in. If not, it will not work, and sometimes it does not work simply because people are not pushing it completely inside. Perfect. Now it's time to go on the back of the TV. Now the back of your TV may look different than mine, but these are all the sound outputs. The optical output should look like this. It says optical. Again, in your case, it could simply say OPT or simply audio out. Take the other end of the cable and go ahead and push it all the way in that port. Don't forget to connect the power cable to your soundbar and you can also turn it on. Most soundbar will have a remote control that you can select the different inputs. This one has this remote and I need to press the OPT button or optical button to put the soundbar into optical mode. Maybe yours has some buttons that will allow you to select the different inputs. It really depends on your model. So once this is done, we need to do the same thing but on the TV. Now there's many different models of TVs and their menus are looking all different. Typically what you need to do is to go into the settings of your TV, then go into the audio or sound settings, and where it says audio output, make sure that you select optical because this will force the sound to go out through the optical output of the TV and go directly in the soundbar. So here I'll select optical. And now I can go ahead and play anything on the TV or Netflix, whatever. Now, an important information is that you won't be able to change the volume of the sound using your TV remote control, the way you were doing it in the past. You will absolutely need your soundbar remote control to adjust the volume, or some soundbar also have some volume buttons on them. When using the optical cable to connect your TV to your soundbar, your TV will not be able to control the volume that goes in the soundbar. Some TV will allow you to control the soundbar with the same remote control as your TV. So you only need one remote control, but this depends on the models. I know Samsung, if you get a Samsung soundbar and a Samsung TV, you'll be able to do this. Probably LG as well, but it's case by case. I suggest you do not turn off your soundbar. This way, every time you want to watch something on the TV, it will be already powered on, ready to blast the sound. So thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, but also leave a comment down below.